So, you're looking for a hole saw kit, huh? Well, you landed on the right page because this is a hole saw kit. It's actually a really good hole saw kit too. So you have 16 pieces here. You have several size blades all the way up to this huge one here. I think that is a 4 or 5 inch hole. I can't remember there. Feels like 5 inch, but yeah, you have a wide variety of sizes, and they come in this nice plastic case. It seals up really well. You have your two types of drill adapters there. You have the one with the center drill bit, and then the one with not. Also, you have a for your door, the catch on the door. You can for drilling that hole. That's really cool. You have several different blades to work with. They're quite sharp. I haven't had any issues with them ripping anything. I use it mostly on PVC and plastic, and so yeah, it's been a really good saw blade, hole saw, set. So if you're in the market for one, this is a good set to look at, and I think you'll enjoy it. And you have a good day. Take care.